Good morning, 9th standard. Let us start lesson number 15, pollution and its sources. First of all, understand what is pollution. Pollution is the contamination of Earth's environment that contaminates and interferes with human health and ecosystem functioning. Understand the meaning of contamination. Contamination is impurity. It is added in the Earth's natural environment that contaminates. Contaminates mean impurity एड ऑन होती है या फिर ख़राब करता है एंड इंटरफेयर विद द ह्यूमन हेल्थ एंड इकोसिस्टम फंक्शनिंग. Environment pollution could be natural or human. Natural pollution could be due to volcanic eruptions, any flood, any storms like hurricanes, while man-made is diversified. Diversified means there are a lot of sources that the human processes or human activities that are disturbing our natural environment. We are doing air pollution or because of any reasons. We study in this chapter for the next. Next is the material that pollutes the environment is called pollutant, which is either biodegradable or non-biodegradable. What is biodegradable pollutants? The pollutants generally which are not very harmful and they are generally easily decomposed. Biodegradable are easily decomposed, like vegetable peel-offs or any natural substances that can be easily decomposed in the natural environment. The further is the non-biodegradable. The non-biodegradable are quite harmful because they are not decomposed in the soil easily. For example, DDT, plastics, radioactive waste like uranium, thorium. Next is the types of pollution. The types of pollution are air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution and radiation pollution. Let us understand the sources of pollution. The first one is point pollution and the second is non-point pollution. Point pollution is from specific and identifiable sources like from the sewage pipe or any industrial smokestack. Smokestacks mean the smoke emitted from the chimneys of the boilers. Non-point, they are the dispersed and uncontained sources. For example, water runoff and automobile exhaust. The smoke emitted by the commercial vehicle or any other sort of vehicle. They are generally releasing unburnt carbon particles and it is very harmful. Let us understand first of all the first is the air pollution. Air pollution is very harmful. It is done because of addition of harmful substances in the air, and they causes severe damage to the environment, human health, and the quality of life. The major sources of air pollution are auto vehicles. They are having combustion engines and they burn the fossil fuel like petrol and diesel. The burning of these fossil fuel is the internal combustion engines, and they release the poisonous gases, which is very difficult. They generally release carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, sulfur dioxide, and different organic acids. In the urban areas, metropolitan areas specifically metropolitan areas like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, the concentration is quite high. What concentration? Concentration means pollution in the air is very high. They release unburnt hydrocarbons from the petrol and the another pollutants. The release of lead also damages the environment. The second one is from the industries. Smelting of ores, refineries, manufacturing units, they are also releasing harmful gases in the air. Air pollution is caused by the presence of high proportion of undesirable gases such like sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. Different particulate material contain solid and liquid particles like dust, sprays, mist and smoke. Smoke is emitted by the chemical and paper factories, ब्रिकलिन्स, ईंट का जो भट्टा होता है ब्रिकलिन, रिफाइनरीज जहाँ पे ऑयल रिफाइन किया जाता है, फ्रॉम स्मग, smelting plants, burning of fossil fuels in big and small factories. Burning of fossil fuel means coal. Coal is burnt to generate power. In big and small factories, they ignore pollution norms. Toxic gas leak can be very hazardous and long-term effects. Even petroleum refineries lead hydrocarbon and various other chemicals that pollutes the air. So read carefully page number 146 and 147.